Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany from TV Butter. Today's video is an unboxing video plus a tiny haul from Kitchen. So I'm just so excited to share with you all. And today at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a little giveaway. I know I reached 10,000 on YouTube and on my Instagram on the other day. I'm just so thankful. Thank you so much for following me all the years, and yeah, I'm just so excited to be able to film a video or share my pictures on Instagram, anything just stationery related or even my personal life. I'm just so happy to have you here with me. So I will be hosting a little giveaway at the very end of this video. So if you want to win or you want to take a look of what's about the giveaway, so please stay tuned. But at the beginning, I will just share with you a little unboxing. Actually, I've already unboxed it. It's the Filofax. So of course it comes with this typical Filofax box. It's really nice, and it's like cardboard box with all the symbols on top and their logos in the center. So here we go. Not sure if you know what I purchased, but I've shown it on my Instagram story, and here it is. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the Filofax Croc in black color. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. So you will see at the back it says Filofax Pocket Organizer, and it's a classic Croc. Oh, that's really nice. I was struggling between the font color and this one, but I ended up chose this one because I think black just it fits in everywhere. And yeah, let me just open it up. It has this little chasing paper to protect the button. Right here there is the plastic protector. Oh my god, the leather is really cool. Okay, so that is the cover, and they have a pocket at the back, and they have a ring protector, and this is the ring. I believe it's 19 mm's ring. Let me just... oh, it's really soft. I didn't expect it would be this soft though. It's matte black color, and on the binding it has the Filofax logo at the bottom. Oh, it's really cool. Let me just try to open the ring, see if it's good. So you can pull this out. So you will have all the inserts, but I won't use it. Just open it up. Oh, looks cool. And I will check all the rings. Looks very tight. Oh my god, I really love this one. And finally, I have a big pocket at the back here. I've been waiting to have a pocket with a big back pocket at the back where I can store cash or receipt or anything, papers. And then you have a zipper pouch or zipper pocket at the front. And at the bottom, it has some extended leather to give you more spaces, and it has this little extra leather to cover the zipper, which is very thoughtful. And at the back is another pocket. Oh my god, I love this logo. It's the gold Filofax Classic Croc Pocket logo, and it says is Italian carved leather. I'm not sure what leather is that, but it just looks so good. And at the back you have another big pocket with 4 card slots. At the back here, I hope you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will have a elastic pen loop which I really need because most of my pen loop, they're just too tiny, including the Longchamp 1917 one. I think I bought a couple of that, but they're just too tiny. You really need to like stretch it out, but I hope this one can hold a little bit bigger pen because I always have bigger pens. Let's see if it can fit in my... Oh, easy. Cool. Oh, I love it. It looks so good with my black pen. Oh my god, it looks really cool. Anyway, and you have a little, I don't know, fly leaf, like an introduction kind of page, and then you have 6 tabs, these paper tabs, which I will replace them because I have my own tabs. And then you have my to-do list. You have some line paper, but I think those papers are too tiny. I don't know if I will use them, but I will just keep them here. And you will have some grid paper, and you have some blank papers, and your contacts info, and different colors in the line paper. And you have a little today marker, which is very cool. And then you will have a yearly calendar, 2018, and the back is 2017 and 2019, personal info and national information, or different kinds of information, and your personal organizer registration, and yeah, just basic stuff. I think, okay, so this is your weekly, and then that goes on, and to here, December, you have more note papers, and then yeah, that is it. So you will have your top loading, top open pocket at the back, which is so soft. Oh my god, I really love this planner. I think with the bigger ring, I can hold more inserts in here, and dividers and dashboards, and at the back I can just house more stuff at the back. Oh, it's just so useful. I really like this one. Let me just put this back. I think I just got this real big influence from Maddie L, definitely using this one, and I got so much inspiration from her, and I started to search more information about this pocket, and finally I get my hands on this one. Oh my god, look at the leather. It's so nice. It's so beautiful and so soft. Anyway, so this is a little unboxing of this Filofax, and the next one is just a little tiny stuff that I got from Bumkuchen. I just want to share with you all just a little tiny thing. So this is my receipt, which I won't share with you. But first, I've got this Superior Labor, and as you can see, I actually already checked it. It's my charm, this little heart-shaped charm. Oh, this is so nice. This is so cute. I'll put it in my childless notebook, and I just think it's very lovely. So I got this one, and then I got this little Bumkuchen original pen. This is the Clover, I think. This is a little pen which I want to attach on my Superior Labor utility pouch. And then I've got a washi from MTX, just a little flower washi. And this, I believe, is their new release. Is this sakura flower shape stamps. So, and they include a little watch seal here on the closure. It's so nice. I don't want to open it up, but I really want to take a look of the stamp. Maybe I can open it from up top here. From the top, I believe I can. Just want to show you how does it look. Oh my god, I have to carry it down. I feel so sorry. I will leave the front alone, so I won't destroy the whole thing. Okay, so here it is. This is the stamps. Oh my god, it's so nice, so high quality. I really love how the daily row, how she used these stamps. She usually used these stamps in her MD notebooks, I believe, and it's just so summer, so springish. So I would like to purchase this one and try to stamp in my journal. Let me try it out in my journal as well. So maybe I will just choose a random page like here, and I would like to try it with a green color, which is this one, and let's take a look. I think for this one you don't have to get everything you know, in with color, because if you leave some color faded away, it will just have more of the fading away feeling. I think I can do this and take a look. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Did you see it? Let's give you a closer look. Did you see it? I'm so sorry about the background, but yeah, this is so lovely. The pattern is really lovely. The pattern is really lovely. I feel like I can mix more colors here and there to make it more springish feel. I can mix the green with pink, or green with blue, baby blue, or you know, the springish color. I think it will look so pretty together. Just mixing all the colors together, it will be very pretty. So anyway, this is a short video with a little unboxing of two shops. And yeah, now I just want to talk about a giveaway with you all. I hope I can have this video up right on time, on the day that I actually post on my Instagram. Please check my info box. I will list all the rules down below in the description box. So yeah, the first thing that I want to give away is this little pouch. Very nice red wine color pen pouch or pencil pouch. Is leather pouch. Yeah, I think it's just the right size. You can carry around with minimal pens that you need, and then you can just throw it in your bag. It's very convenient. That's why I chose this pen pouch for you. And then I have this zebra mouth liner pack with 5 colors: red, purple, gray, blue, and green. I'm using this one as well in my journal, in my planner. It's very useful, and it contains a lot of ink. I feel like it will never run out. I really like this mouth liner, and I like the color of it is the pastel kind of color. That's why I love it more. So I want to include this one in this giveaway as well. Let me just put it here. And then I also include this Blackwing 02 pencil. And then the next one is the Rhodia lined notepad. I just think is the perfect size to carry around. If you need to jot down notes or anything, you can simply put it in your journal or in your planner. You can carry around and jot down quick notes. So I include this one. Then the next thing is the Midori Spiral Ring Notebook, and this one is the one that with the envelope with the window, clear window, so you will see what's inside. So basically I'm using this one as well to house all my vintage or paper ephemera, so I can do a quick access to my ephemera and use them to decorate my notebook. Or you can just store your letters from pen pals or anything else, or tickets or papers, or you know, it could be your memory keeper. If you want to, you can use it to house some paper stuff, most of the paper stuff. So I would like to include this as well. The next thing is this letter paper from Midori. I love Midori, as you can tell, and this one is the flower pattern, and I really love it. Look at the pattern, it's so cool. On the writing side, it's kind of like a pastel background, but the other side is this vivid color flower. So yeah, I just like it. I think it's very cool. I think it's very pretty. So if you have a pen pal, when you write letters for her or him, you can use this paper. I think it is so pretty. So the next one, actually, they are supposed to come together because it's this Midori MD paper cover. It's the A5 size, and of course I include the A5 size light notebook so that you can put these two together. I myself are using the A5 size Hobonichi. I really love this size. It's not too big, neither too small. You can throw it in your bag right away, and I think it's the right size to jot down loads of informations or to-do list or diary or journal or notes, anything that you want. I think it's the perfect size. A4 is too big for me, A6 is too small, so I think A5 is like the perfect size for me. So I would like you to try this too as well. So that's why I include these two items. So that is it. There are like 8 items in total. I know it's not too much. I know you can find this from most of the craft store as well. I know they're not like super special or anything, but I would like to thank you all with this little giveaway because I'm really grateful, and it's my pleasure to share my videos, to share my pictures, to share my daily life with you all. And along the years, I've met so many wonderful stores. I've met so many amazing peoples, crafty peoples, and they are just amazing. They help me, they support me. That's why I can come this long. I can, you know, work this far in this community, and by reaching 10,000 is not easy, and I promise I will only do better and better. I will share more. So yeah, if you want to win all this home, this will be one winner apparently. I don't want to choose 8 different winners. So if you want to win this home, you just need to follow the instruction or you know, rules in the description box, and that's it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video soon. Bye bye.